awesome LED license plate lights for the Toyota Tacoma, and a giveaway. Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to Robmotive. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider smashing that subscribe button right now. So today I'm going to be installing some Morimoto LED license plate lights for the Toyota Tacoma. You know, people have been on me, well, you've got LED lights everywhere. Why don't you have LED lights around your license plates? Or plate, I guess. So we're going to take care of that today, and I'm going to be giving a set away because I have an extra and I don't need 4. Okay, let's take a look at what comes in the box. Nice little box here, easy to ship, I like that. Let's go ahead and pull out the interior. I have looked at these already, by the way. Full disclosure, we have another box in the box. So let's open this thing up. Got a little card here, easy to install, or I guess T10 connector installation instructions. We don't need that, just watch the video. Let's get rid of that. The light comes in a nice little package here, and this is what they look like. Pretty cool little LED bank there, if you will. And then it just plugs into the existing OEM harness via this little connection right here. So that's it. There are 2 of them per box, of course, because after all, you do need 2 of them. So let's go ahead. I'll get set up underneath and show you how to take the old ones out. Okay, we're under here, and it might be a little difficult to see, but if you follow my screwdriver, right here is the light, and on each side of it, there and there are little push-in tabs, if you will. You push those in, and then the light itself should pull through out here on the outside right there, so you can work out here on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and see how easily it is. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to kind of push that in with one hand and push it through with the other, and we'll see just how easy those things are to remove. Got both the lights out. You can see here they're kind of dangling inside this little area. Now, a couple of tips for you. One, it helps if you slide something in between on each side. Let me show you here. If you slide something in between on each side here of the actual housing to kind of get these things just a little pliable. I'm not talking anything to kill it. You're not going to get it out that way, but it just gets these moving a little bit, makes it easier to push them in from down below. Now, if you do that, make sure you use something thin. This is actually a bracket that I had filed down. If you have feeler gauges, they would work perfectly. Or even a real narrow, thin trim removal tool. Just something to slide in there to kind of get them working a little bit. It definitely helps. Secondly, you might think that using a thin screwdriver, once you're under there and you look at how this little area is here, would be good. It's not. Use a thicker screwdriver, a wider screwdriver. Gives you more leverage under there because there isn't a ton of room. And lastly, throw a light under there. Helps out. Now, all we have to do, we've got them here, and as I showed before, they do just plug in to the factory harness, and this should just turn counterclockwise and come out. And then you just plug this right in. Now, one other tip for you, go ahead and put them in, but before you reseat them, before you screw the little factory harness in here, it does go back in this opening. Turn the truck on and make sure that you have them right, because I'm not sure if these are polarity sensitive or not. Much easier to just pull them out and flip them around rather than have to take the whole thing back out. So let's start over here on the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and replace this one. Again, I believe, we're going to find out, it should turn counterclockwise, I think. It does. And then it just pulls right out. Do what you want with this. Makes a great decoration. Sell it on the aftermarket. Now, you want to go ahead and remove the bulb. You see the old halogen bulb here. Should just pull right out, I think. And it does, just like so. And then take your new light right here and just plug it right in where the bulb came out, just like the bulb would go in. Just like that. Now, I am going to run real quick and make sure I've got it in right. You guys will know before I do if it actually lights up. Let's give it a try. Okay, you saw I got it in the right way the first time. That's awesome. Now we just want to kind of gently push the wire inside and reseat the stock connector here. So I'm going to do that. Then I'll go ahead and put the other side in. I'll show you what they look like once I'm done. Okay, there you have it. You heard the little snap. That means we are done. Very, very simple mod to do. The hardest part of this mod is just popping the OEMs out. And that's all there is to it. So let's get the tools off of here and I'll show you what it looks like before and after. That's the install. You can see they look awesome. Shout out to Headlight Revolution for sending these to me. They are fantastic. If you're looking for these, there'll be links below. You can also use discount code Robmotive for free shipping over at Headlight Revolution. Now, I mentioned we're giving a set of these away. So, how do you win them? Well, here are the rules. And yes, I have them written down so I get them right. First of all, you must subscribe to this channel, Robmotive. Secondly, you must subscribe to my other channel, Robmotive Tundra. That's Robmotive Tundra. Next up, and there'll be a link for that channel below as well. Next up, you need to follow me on Instagram at Robmotive. So yes, you have to have an Instagram log on. And the reason is you must comment below this video with your Instagram name exactly as it is, because I will contact you via the Instagram name that you provide should you be the winner. And I'll be contacting you to get your shipping address. You'll have 24 hours to respond to me with that shipping address so that I can send these awesome Morimoto license plate lights, LED lights, out to you. Now, I will announce the winner a week from this Saturday, so it will be July 10th. That's July 10th on a Saturday via random draw. I'll contact whoever the winner is shortly thereafter asking for your shipping address. That's it. It's pretty simple, not too difficult. You're already on this channel. I assume you're subscribed. I hope so. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of these. I'd be curious to know. Gotta say, I think they're awesome. Also, I do have 2 additional channels, Robmotive Tundra, all about my quest for the redesigned Toyota Tundra, and Robmotive JT, about my experiences with the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, like the winner announcement, and do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everybody. Bye.